This is a wild encounter with a Pastulio. Pastulio is a rare cat, known to be adorable. The name is a reference to, I'm not gonna say what, but hopefully you already know. Just forget, it's from Invader Zim. So this is Pastulio, their adorable baby kitty, and please do not fall down. And Pastulio. Pastulio is a rare type of kitty. It's so adorable. That's why it's rare and valuable. You know what? Never mind. Pastulio is just a baby kitty. Am I right, Pastulio? Kitty, are you there? You know what? I'm just gonna let you sleep. That's the end of this video. This is my new cat, Pastulio. Adorable.